Now the next form is intercept form. Intercept form. In intercept form, they will give you x-intercept as well as y-intercept. So here you can see, suppose this is x-axis and this is y-axis, and a line is given like that. This line cuts the A unit intercept along the x-axis and B unit intercept along the y-axis. Suppose this point is A and this point is B. So coordinate of this point A will become 0, B, and the coordinate of this point B will become A, 0. Now here you can see this line is passing through 2 points, so we can apply 2-point form and we can derive the formula. So directly I am writing the formula. Here the formula will become x upon A plus y upon B is equals to 1. This is called intercept form of line. Here A means x-intercept and B means y-intercept. X upon A plus y upon B is equals to 1, and here A is called the x-intercept and B is called the y-intercept. So I am discussing one example. Find the equation of line. Find the equation of line having x and y-intercept as as 2 and 3 units respectively. So for solving this question, you can see here A is given 2 and B is given 3. So we can apply this formula and we can write x upon 2 plus y upon 3 is equals to 1. Now we can simplify. We can take the LCM 6. So 3x plus 2y is equals to 1. So 3x plus 2y is equal to 6. So this is the equation of line. So there are many questions in the NCERT also related to this intercept form. We will discuss later. Next form of line is normal form. Normal form of line. Here you can see, suppose this is x-axis and this is y-axis and this is line L. Suppose from origin we are drawing a perpendicular to this line and this is OP. This OP is called normal. This OP is called normal. It means indirectly we can say that the distance of a line from the origin, perpendicular distance of the line from the origin is called normal. Suppose this distance is small p. This OP is small p, and this OP makes alpha angle with the positive direction of x-axis. This OP, it means this normal makes alpha angle with the positive direction of x-axis. So the equation of line in the normal form will become x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. X cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. Here p is called length of normal. Length of normal, or indirectly we can say that perpendicular distance of line from the origin, that is called normal. Here this is OP, and alpha angle made by normal OP with the positive direction of of x-axis. So this is called a normal form. X cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equals to p. In some books they are giving x cos omega plus y sin omega is equals to p. So it doesn't matter. Here alpha is angle made by normal with the positive direction of x-axis. You need to keep in mind. I am discussing one example based on this normal form. Example is find the equation of line. Find the equation of line whose distance from the origin is, we can say that this perpendicular distance from the origin is 7 units and this perpendicular makes, it means normal, makes 30-degree angle with the positive x-axis. With the positive x-axis. So here P is given, that is 7, and alpha is also given 30 degree. We can apply formula x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P. X cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P. We can apply the value of P and alpha. So it will become x cos 30 plus y sin 30 is equals to 7. We can simplify. Everybody knows the value of cos 30 is root 3 by 2 and the value of sin 30 is 1 by 2 is equals to 7. We can simplify root 3x plus y is equals to 14. So this will become the equation of line. I think everybody is understanding this concept. So please keep in mind this. Just we discussed about different forms of line. Now I want to discuss some extra questions that will be helpful for understanding the concept. So here you can see the first question is, which I am going to discuss. Find the equation of a line that cuts off equal intercept on the coordinate axis and passes through the point 2, 3. So in this question is based on the concept of equation of line, and here we can apply the form intercept form. So here you can see in this question it is given A is equal to B. It means if a line cuts equal intercept from the coordinate axis, it means A is equals to B. This is given. So we can apply. So we know that intercept form of line. Here intercepts are given. So we can apply this one, x upon A plus y upon B is equals to 1. In place of B we can write A also with the given condition. So it will become y upon A is equals to 1. Then we can simplify, it will become x plus y is equals to A. Suppose this is your equation number 1. Here you can see one condition is also there. If this line is passes through the point 2, 3. So we can say that line 1 is passing through 2, 3. So definitely this equation will satisfy this point 2, 3. We can substitute here. In place of x we can write 2 and in place of y we can write 3. So in this way we can get A is equals to 5. We can substitute this value here. So it will become x plus y is equals to 5. So this will become the answer. X plus y is equals to 5. That is your final answer, which cuts equal intercept from the coordinate axis. So here actually I am taking the solution when both the lines are intercepting equal intercept in first quadrant. Clear? Because this can be also possible. The line can cut like that also. The line can cut that also. Clear? So these possibilities are also there. So but here we consider this possibilities and we got the answer.